welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we want to do a stuffed pepper with couscous with egg on top of it, oven bake. First thing we're gonna need to do is do the couscous. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put 1 cup of couscous in the water, in the bowl like this. That's 1 cup of couscous. Second thing, we need to put some seasoning in the couscous. So first of all, 1 cup of couscous, and I'm using some whole wheat couscous. Second thing, a teaspoon of vegetable oil or olive oil. That's a little teaspoon. Next, 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock. And then next we got some spring onion, which I'm going to cut up for flavor. That's the spring onion. Piece of a white onion, very finely. Clove of garlic, cut up very finely, and then teaspoon of mixed herb, and that's it. Then give it a mix. Then we're gonna add some hot water. This is some boiling water, roughly. We're gonna add 1 cup of hot water to it, alright? 1 cup of boiling water to the couscous. After you do that, get the cling film and flame it like this, and leave that for 15 minutes. In the meantime, that is getting ready. Get the red pepper, cut into half. Alright, lovely. Then what next you're going to do, after you cut it into half, let's get a smaller knife. Very small knife like this one, and clean out the inside of the pepper. So that's the way inside gonna be looking. So we're gonna stuff that lovely couscous inside of it. Nice one. So that's the 2 pepper right there, and the couscous, give it 15 minutes to get ready. Nice one. So basically it's 20 minutes now. I'll say 15, but I'll leave you up to 20 minutes, so that's fine. That's the couscous. So that's simple. Just mix it up like this. The reason why I put a cup of water, because when I put it in the oven, it's going to be dry, so yeah, you know what I mean. Now what we're going to do now is this. Look, this is very important, guys. Nice one. So the couscous is ready, and all I'm going to do now is put a little bit of the couscous in the pepper. I'll make it get to that point in a bit. Lovely and nice. Alright, leave it right here. Nice one. So as you can see, that's the couscous in the pepper. I just stuffed it, alright? And basically what you need to do is to get the egg, one egg, and simple. Let's get a tray. This is a tray which you're going to put in on a piece of a greaseproof paper. Do like this and like this. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful. And really nice. So we're gonna put in that lovely egg in it like this. Might a little bit go over. This one was running from, but because of all the pepper stay, don't put too much couscous, if not it will just run over. Lovely. I remove the eye from my egg. A lot of people might have said, you know, easy Chef Ricardo, why you always remove the eye from the egg? Don't like the eye. So as you can see right there, guys, that's the baked pepper with couscous and egg on top of it, oven bake. We're gonna bake this inside of the oven for 20 minutes the least. If you're using gas mark 7 is good. If you're using a different kind of oven, you can use 175 or 165 for 20 minutes inside of the oven. Enjoy the recipe, and it's a vegetarian dish. Vegetarian can have it. Lovely. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. I just take them from the oven, guys. As you can see, that's the way they look. But what we want to do, we want to share it out to make you guys see how it look on the plate with some salad and stuff. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. This one is just stuffed pepper with egg and also couscous on top of it. Enjoy it and see you next time. Nice one. Really nice. So basically, I got some stand right on the plate here. And all I'm going to do is just stack up this nice lovely stuffed pepper. Really nice. And that's the way we want to serve it. Beautiful and nice. So basically you can have this for your dinner with a nice lovely glass of smoothie, green smoothie, and that's a healthy dinner, guys, right there. Also enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments and request what you like from Chef Ricardo. We got amazing recipe coming out and some fantastic recipe, guys. It's just wonderful and really nice. But also you can put a little bit of salad cream on it like this, just to bring up the flavor of it. This is just some salad cream you can put on it, and it just bring up the flavor also. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. And that's from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.